I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, and I fear no evil because I'm blind to it all. In my mind, and my gun, they comfort me because I know I'll kill my enemies when they come. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell on this earth forever.